Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS. This is Let's Score 120 Plus in Prelims 2021 series. And here we'll be solving a model question from Indian polity, and through that we will help you to learn some core facts and concepts to help your prelims preparation. And the question for today is, consider the following statements. Both Central Administrative Tribunal and State Administrative Tribunals are established by the central government. From a state, only chief ministers are given membership in the zonal councils. 3. The state of Goa does not have a separate high court. Find out the correct statements. See, regarding the administrative tribunals. See, Article 323A. Article 323A empowers the central government to create the Central Administrative Tribunal as well as State Administrative Tribunal. See, there can be a confusion. We might feel that the state administrative tribunals are established by the state government. No. Article 323 empowers, 323A empowers the central government to establish both Central Administrative Tribunal as well as State Administrative Tribunal. So, dealing with the public service matters regarding recruitment, service conditions and all, those public service matters will be dealing under this CAT as well as SAT, and both are established by the central government only. So, one is right. From a state, only chief ministers are given membership in the zonal councils. Okay, see, regarding the zonal council, membership includes, but Home Minister of India is the chairman, and chief ministers of the concerned states in that zone, and 2 other ministers are also included from that state. Okay, so not only the chief ministers are given membership in the zonal council, other ministers, 2 other ministers are also given membership in the zonal council. Apart from the unitaries, administrative unitaries in that zone also given membership. So membership of interstate council, zonal council, or GST council, all those things are important for us from exam perspective. And who becomes the chairman of the concerned council also important for us, because statements are asked. So statement number 2 is wrong here. Why? Because it says that only CM is given membership. No, other ministers are also given membership in the zonal council. Fine. Regarding statement number 3, the state of Goa does not have a separate high court. That is a correct statement only. Why? Because state of Goa comes under the jurisdiction of Bombay High Court. Fine. Again, regarding the jurisdiction of various high courts, please note down the territorial jurisdiction of various high courts. Similarly, we know that the Andaman Nicobar Islands comes under the Calcutta High Court. Lakshadweep comes under the Kerala High Court. All these things you please take care. In that manner, Goa, even though it's a separate state, it comes under the jurisdiction of Bombay High Court only. Fine. So 3 is also right here. 1 is right, 2 is wrong. So answer becomes option B, that is 1 and 3 only. Okay. Again, see the logic. If you know that statement number 2 is wrong, you can eliminate A, you can eliminate C, as well as you can eliminate option D and directly reach at the answer, that is option B. Fine.